children, are you all ready? Very good morning. Yes. So be ready with your science class work notebook. Okay. So yesterday teacher gave animals and their shelter and animals and their food. I gave only 5, isn't it? Now I will continue with the next 5. Okay. Have you done the practice yesterday? Have you done the practice? How? Which practice? Writing and learning practice. Okay. Both you should have to do second class because you are not in the LKG or UKG. Now you came to which class? Second class. Yes. Obviously you have to do more. Writing practices should has to be more and reading practice also should be more. Okay. So listen children. One more. When you came to second class, yes, you have to go with the different exercise. You are not, when you are in the class 1, we used to give fill in the blanks, question answers, hard words. When you came to second class, you have some exercise are different. Okay. So be ready with that. That is the reason teacher was insisting you to practice more. If you do the reading practice more, you can learn very easily children. Okay. So if you have textbook, you do the learning of, use your textbook. Okay, for the learning purpose. If you don't have textbook also, don't worry. Whatever the teacher are giving the notes, you can do the practice in your science class work. Okay. We are not insisting you to go and buy it, go to shop and go and get your textbook. No. If it is available, you get a textbook. Okay. If not, don't worry. Whatever the notes we are giving on the board and we are giving the hints, no, that you follow the way we are explaining to you all the lessons. You have to listen it and follow our lessons. Okay. And now let me start the continuation of the yesterday class. Okay. So yesterday teacher gave animals and the food, only 5 I gave, isn't it? Now I am going to continue with the 5, next 5. And then next exercise will be who am I? It's a puzzle. Okay. So I think last year also some teachers had given in the English and might be the science also. Last year I was a science teacher for you, isn't it? So I had practiced you about this who am I puzzle in science, isn't it? Okay. So simple puzzle I am going to ask you after this. Soon after this, animal and their food. Okay, second class children. I hope everyone is eagerly waiting, isn't it? Okay, let me start the class. Let me complete first of all next to 5, 6 to 10. Then we will go with the puzzle. Okay children. Be ready with the sharp pencils, second class children. Yes. Now get ready for the animals and their food. You know which lesson we are learning? Yes. Wild animals. Animals and their food. Animals and their food. Yesterday I give only few, isn't it? Today you continue with the same page. Don't go with the next page children. Please. And don't get confused. Sixth one you can write. Okay. Let me make the 2 column. Again you will get confusion. Come on. Write down animals. Underline. Make a draw a column. And here you write their food. Okay. So what it eats. Now this animal. Let me continue. Sixth one. Rabbit. What it likes to eat? Carrot. It likes to eat carrot children. Okay. Then seventh one. Bear. It likes to eat honey. Okay. Honey or fish. You can write. Honey and fish. Next one. Goat. Goat like to eat what? Even cow also, isn't it? But goat eat leaves. Goat eat leaves. Next one. Dog. Bones. Dog likes to eat what? Bones. Okay. 10th one. Jackal, dead animal. Jackal likes to eat dead animal. Dead animal. Okay. Yes. Now see, listen here children. Teacher on rabbit likes to eat carrot. Bear likes to eat honey or fish. Goat likes to eat leaves. Dog likes to eat bones. Jackal, dead animal. Okay, any dead animals it likes to eat. Okay, so yesterday I gave 5 and today again I had continued the 6 to 10. This is enough for you. For this exercise name is animals and their food. Yesterday I had shown the 2 animals and their shelter. Where do they live? Isn't it? But this is animals what it likes to eat more. Okay, that is rabbit, carrot. Spell the word of carrot. 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 Each one you have to read 3 times. Bear likes to eat honey. Spell the word of honey. 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 Okay. Goat. It's not a leaf, it is leaves. 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 Dog likes to eat what? Bones. 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 Jackal. It likes to eat dead animals. Not dead animal, dead animals. Whichever it is there. Any dead animals it can like to eat. Okay. Even vulture, hyena. Yesterday I gave no vulture also. Today here in this column I had given jackal. Okay. So copy down this bit. Very neat handwriting. Write, use a scale and draw a line midline and make it 2 columns and write very neat handwriting. Okay. In exam I may ask you children to write animals and the shelter any 5. మీరే రాయాలి. Animals and the shelter ఎలా రాయాలి టీచర్ అంటే lion, den, hen, coop, isn't it? Birds, nest, monkey, on trees, elephant, under trees, fish, water, crocodile, land, any 5. You should have to write by your own. You have to do that practice. Okay. ఇప్పుడు టీచర్ అడగను నేను లయన్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అని అడగను. మీరే సొంతంగా అనిమల్స్ రాయాలి. ఆ షెల్టర్ వాళ్ళు ఉండే చోట కూడా పేరు మీరే రాయాలి. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. సో ఎలా ఉండాలి మీరు? చాలా ప్రిపేర్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? మళ్ళీ మీరు ఏమనుకుంటారు, టీచర్ అనిమల్స్ రాస్తారు మేమేమో షెల్టర్ పేరాలి. అలా కాదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఎనీ 5 అనిమల్స్ అండ్ దే షెల్టర్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం అవసరం మనకి? ప్రాక్టీస్. మీరు ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారో అంత ఈజీగా మీకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ లైక్ దట్ సేమ్ వే animals and their food. Teacher will ask you write any 5 animals and what it likes to eat. Then you should have to write the animal's name and then what it likes to eat. సో ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉండాలి కదా. సో దీనికి ఏం కావాలి మనకి? మంచిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చదవాలి. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అమ్మని అడిగి అమ్మ మేమే సొంతంగా రాసి చూపిస్తాను మమ్మీ అని మీరు చూపించండి. ఎలా చూపించాలి? జస్ట్ యూ రైట్, టేక్ అ రబ్బర్ వితౌట్ సీయింగ్ యూ రైట్ ఎనీ 5 animals and then shelter. దాని పక్కకి ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ రాయండి, అయిపోతుంది. హెన్ రాసారా? కూప్. వేర్ ఇట్ లివ్స్? ఇట్ ఈస్ లివ్ ఇన్ కూప్. వాట్ ఇట్ లైక్స్ టు ఈట్? గ్రెయిన్స్. టేక్ డాగ్. వేర్ ఇట్ లివ్స్? కెనల్. వాట్ ఇట్ లైక్స్ టు ఈట్? బోన్స్. Parrot. Then what about parrot? Yes, it is will be in sometimes cage or on birds, then in the trees. Then it likes to eat nuts, isn't it? Then rabbit, it lives in burrow, it likes to eat carrot. ఇలా మీరు సొంతంగా మీరు రాయడం నేర్చుకోండి. షెల్టర్ పేరు, ఆ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ పేరు కూడా మీరే రాయాలి. Is it clear? So do more and more practice. Animals and their shelter and animals and their food. That is the reason teacher have given like this 2 columns. Okay. So you can do n number of animals. Any animals, any shelter and then any food items. Okay. So do it by your own. This is all the example for you I had shown. Now get ready for who I am, my puzzle. I hope everyone is eagerly waiting, isn't it? Okay. So let me start the class. Okay. Very simple puzzle I will ask. You have to try to give the answer. Okay. So the next one is puzzle. Be ready for the puzzle. Who I am I. What is this? You can write who I am I. Okay. So be ready. I hope everyone is ready. Okay. Chalo. Let me start. First one. Shall we start? Very simple question I will ask. You try to give the answer. Okay. First one. I have a long tail. I have a long tail. I think someone is giving the answer for my question. They are ready with that answer. Isn't it? I have a long tail. I live on trees. I live on trees. And I like to eat banana. And I like to eat more banana. Yes. And I like to eat banana. Who am I? I like to eat bananas. Okay, banana. Question. Who am I? Yes, anyone can give the answer for this question. I hope everyone is giving the answer. It is very simple, isn't it? How do you understand this question? I have a long tail. I live on trees. And I like to eat banana. Who am I? Monkey. Answer is monkey. Okay. Second one. Number 2. Leave one line. After that, for this question puzzle, you have to leave one line. I have a long tail. I live on trees. And I like to eat banana. Who am I? Okay. So, understand this question. You have to write the answer beside the question. Second one. Okay. I am a very big animal. I am a very big animal. Are you all listening my class? I am a very big animal. I like to eat sugarcane and leaves. Sugarcane and sugarcane. Okay, this is enough. Simple will write. I like to eat sugarcane. Okay. I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. I have 4 legs. I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. And 2 big ears. Two big ears. Who am I? Yes. What is the answer for this? I am a very big animal. I am not a small animal. I am a very big animal. I like to eat sugarcane. Not only sugarcane, it likes to eat even leaves. It likes to eat leaves. It likes to eat sugarcane and leaves. Okay. So I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. Who am I? Can you guess? Yes. Which animal? Elephant. Which animal? Elephant. Yes. Is it clear? Very easy, no? So please write very neatly this question. Okay. I have a long tail. I live on trees. And I like to eat banana. Who am I? Monkey. I am a very big animal. I like to eat sugarcane. I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. 2 big ears. Who am I? And one more I can say. I have a long nose. My long nose is called a trunk. Okay, my long nose is called a trunk. Who am I? If I ask like that also, you can have to give the answer elephant. Okay, my long nose is called a trunk. But teacher wrote only till I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. There you may have understand this answer, isn't it? So that is elephant. If I want to extend, I can extend. And I can write that my nose is very big. That is what is that? Trunk. My nose name is what? Trunk, isn't it? So you can write now, my long nose is called trunk. Who am I? Elephant. I cut down that question and I give very short for you. Right. And you can play this type of riddle, like this puzzle, who am I, with your siblings. Okay. So each and you can ask alternate randomly, you can ask such type of questions. Not only monkey or elephant. Now we will go with 2 more who am I questions are there that I will give you tomorrow. I will continue the class with the 2 who am I, then I will give you question answers. Today this 2 are enough, quite enough, because if I give 2 more, again you will get more confused. So today you write this in the fresh page, write down only 2 who am I questions, and another next 2 I will give you tomorrow. Okay, along with the 3 question answers. Okay children, so this class is very clear for my second class children. Now your turn is to do the learning and writing practice. What is your turn now? Yes, doing what? Which practice? Playing. Yes, then what? You will sit and you have to go for your studies. Now your study time had started. So please stop playing, and I am not asking you to spend the complete day for to play or complete day for to learn your subjects. Yes, enjoy your day, but simultaneously you have to go with your school work also. Okay children, I hope second class will follow my words and they will do it very neatly in class work. And if you want to do the practice, you can do it in the rough book, second class children. Is it in? Can you able to follow me? So listen the class twice and thrice and follow my words and do it. Okay. So tomorrow we'll go with the next session. Thank you children. Take care second class.